Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your laptop running slower than a snail in molasses? In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your laptop in just 3 minutes. The best part, you don't need any special software or tech skills. These tips work for Windows 10, Windows 11, and all major brands like HP, Dell, and Lenovo. So if your laptop feels slow or laggy, stick around until the end, because these tricks are going to make a huge difference. First up, let's stop all those useless apps that automatically launch and slow down your startup time. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at the same time to open up the Task Manager. Now, click on the Startup tab. You'll see a list of programs that start with your computer. Go ahead and disable any apps you don't need right away, like Spotify, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. You can always open them manually later. This simple change will make your laptop boot up way faster the next time you turn it on. Next, let's get rid of all the junk files cluttering up your system. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run box. In the box, type %, temp%, and then hit Enter. This will open a folder full of temporary files. Don't be afraid. Just select everything in there and delete it. These files are just digital trash. For an even deeper clean, you can search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and let it work its magic to free up even more space. Okay, step 3 is a big one. Uninstalling apps you never use. Head over to your settings, then click on Apps, and go to Installed Apps. Scroll through the list and be ruthless. Get rid of any old games, trial software, or big programs you just don't need anymore. Think of it like decluttering your closet. Less clutter means a faster, more efficient system because those apps aren't taking up valuable memory and resources. Ready for a pro-level tweak? Let's optimize your performance settings. Go to your Start menu and search for Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. In the window that pops up, select the option that says Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off some of the flashy visual effects and animations, but then Return Your System will get a noticeable speed boost. This is an especially great tip for older or less powerful laptops. And now for the final step, restart your laptop. Seriously, just give it a fresh start to apply all the changes we just made. You should feel the difference instantly. For a quick bonus tip, always try to keep your laptop cool, as overheating can slow it down, and avoid running too many programs at once. And if you're really serious about speed, consider upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD SE. Ultimate long-term performance boost. And that's it! In just a few minutes, your laptop should be running much smoother and faster. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with any friends who are struggling with a slow computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.